Professional Electronics Engineer, Manila. PEC is Sign and Seal. So we are based here in Pasay City, nearby MRT Taft and LRT EDSA station. We are very accessible from our clients from Pasay City, from Cavite, Parañaque, Las Piñas, Laguna, Makati, Taguig, Mandaluyong, Quezon City, Pateros, Marikina, Quezon City, Bulacan. You can send us through Lalamove or Grab. We are serving you 24/7. Anytime you can reach out in our very accessible place here. No worry for parking. We have an allocated parking lot for our clients in front of our office. And don't worry for your security. We have a 24/7 security guard in our guardhouse. So anytime you can contact me, you can message me, you can send through Viber or through Messenger, and my contact number is there. It was flashed there, the backdrop. So we are catering design, sign and seal of electronics permit, electronics plans, certificate of safety and reliability for PESA requirements. For LGU requirements, we are catering sign and seal and design of electronics plans and signing of electronics permits with technical specifications, with BOM, and also for our Visayas Mindanao areas, we can send it through LBC. You just send us through email your plans, and we will review and we'll print it here in Manila, then sign it and send it through LBC. Or with our Baguio clients somewhere in the north, we can send it through Victory Liner. So don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to support your needs for electronics sign and seal and electronics, other electronic services. 0929-7311436, Viber 0929-7311436, and just give us a call.